So I'm here with Jason, who was with Hexbug, and you guys are a robotics manufacturer. You guys make toys for kids, like robot toys, RC, remote controlled toys, and you guys have a partnership with BattleBots, so we have some BattleBots RC devices. Tell me about them.
We've been part of BattleBots actually for a very long time. Our parent company, Innovation First International, they have been working on the Victors and control systems for a very long time. We're actually part of our sister company, Vex. We're doing a speed controller, a new speed controller for BattleBots this year. And us, Hexbug, we got the chance to do the toy license, so we were excited to once again be a partner with BattleBots, and we thought it was a great fit to do the toys.
Yeah, the toys are great, and you have some pre-production prototypes here. Now the prototypes, I immediately recognize some of these bots. You got Bite Force, Tombstone, Witch Doctor, Bronco. How did you guys choose which of the BattleBots would make it into the lineup?
So a lot of the builders were really curious about that. Everyone's come by and wanted a toy of theirs, and this really, we were only able to do a short few of them. So we kind of got together in the room and everyone kind of pitched their favorites. Obviously we have Champions and Bite Force and the other bots who made it really far in the series. So it was a combination of success, crowd appeal, and just us in the room going, hey, I really like that robot.
And they're also representative of different types of robots.
Yes.
The grabbers, you got spinners, flippers.
Exactly. Yeah, we obviously we didn't want them all to be the same style of robot. We wanted to have a crack at each type, horizontal, vertical spinners, grapplers, that type of thing.
Can you talk about the process of prototyping these, taking designs? What was supplied by the builders? How much study did you do of their BattleBots to get it miniaturized? And what is the functionality of these robots?
So when we started this, we took some of our existing toys and kind of weaponized them. We do the Tony Hawk circuit boards. Mm-hmm. So we took some of those and some of our fire ants, and we put helicopter motor blades on them and started just attacking the other toys. We kind of got the play pattern down, and we said, all right, let's move it over into a BattleBot chassis. We started with just kind of generic flipper and spinner, and then from that point we moved on. Once we started developing the partnership with ABC and BattleBots is when we got to Tombstone, Witch Doctor, Bite Force, Bronco. So
is it all just redesigned, remodeled in CAD, and then you basically 3D printed these prototypes to get the designs right?
So in general, Hexbug, we take what we can from existing parts, we hack them apart, put them back together, run them around, and then we spend time CAD, 3D print, mm-hmm. and we're just iterating day in and day out to get what we see here.
Now, because they are BattleBots, I gotta imagine that they're able to fight with each other. Mm-hmm. Now, how functional are they, and can you put two of these robots against each other? Do they come apart? Is there any?
Yeah. So obviously, when I was a kid, big BattleBots fan. I had the toys, so we got the chance to do it. I wanted to do something better. I wanted the BattleBots I wanted as a kid. So what we did is they are completely remote control. They drive around, they spin, and this gives them the interactivity that I really wanted. You can see, actually, I already lost the panel. All of these have different panels that can come on and off to the point where you actually get down and you can see inside of the robot. You can see its motors, its gears, the circuit board, and everything that makes our robots go similar style to the actual bot. So we wanted to give that actual damage feel that you get with BattleBots.
Are there any plans to make these programmable or design even kits so early BattleBots fans can build their own toy BattleBot?
So we don't currently have anything specific for that, but we've had a lot of people talk to us about the really lightweight weight classes for these. We've actually found they're under 100 grams, so they will fit in to some of the weight classes. I personally hope that people take them, they modify them, and they run away with them and really and show what they can do.
Awesome. And when can people find these in stores?
They'll be available in fall of this year, so we're hoping as close as we can to about the tail end of season 2 airing.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. By your index
there
finger.
it goes.
Yeah. So you can spin it up, and they'll actually hit each other, do damage, knock off panels.
Great. Cool.